What is up, guys? My name is Jake and welcome back to a brand new episode of the Theme Park Shark. Today we're taking a trip to Universal Studios Hollywood, the entertainment capital of LA, to dig into a juicy rumor of a brand new attraction opening on the studio tour this summer. So, let's dive right in. A brand new attraction is coming to the Falls Lake area of the studio tour at Universal Studios Hollywood. This new experience is going to take over what was once the home of the log cabin on the tour. The log cabin was seen in the famous movie The Great Outdoors, which featured John Candy. To make way for this new experience, they actually moved the log cabin from Falls Lake to its new home, which is behind the War of the Worlds set. By moving that cabin, they created a large open space on the corner of Steven Spielberg Drive and John Williams Drive, between the War of the Worlds sets and the Fast and Furious attraction. A green construction fence went up early this year, and guests would notice that fence pulling out of the War of the Worlds set. They would see construction going on their right hand side. Also, a zoning conformance review application was discovered, and it says that Universal Studios is seeking approval for a proposed tram tour set at Falls Lake. It specifically mentions that the sets will be a part of the Universal Studios tram tour. It also mentions that the proposed sets for this project will not exceed the height of 25 feet from the ground level. Construction went vertical in March of this year, and now guests will notice a Western themed area on the former site of the log cabin. In this video here, you get a nice look at the back of these buildings, and you can see what is the Sunday Saloon. The gray box on the left is the Fast and Furious Supercharged show building. You can also see the back of all of these facades and notice that they are themed only on the front, and they have a lot of electricity going into the back of them. Those electrical boxes can be seen mounted on the back walls. It's also interesting to note that these facades are fully square enclosures. Usually facades just cut off at the front, but these are full buildings, so you gotta wonder what type of show elements these things will hold inside of them, especially with all that electricity running into those things. In this clip, you can see a sheriff's office and a little green bank, and this is a nice aerial overview that really gives you a good perspective of the entire attraction. Now, the big question is, what the heck is this attraction going to be? Well, we think it's going to be a Western-themed stunt show based off of the upcoming Universal film, Nope. Now, keep in mind, this is just a rumor. We imagine that the tram will exit the War of the Worlds set, turn left, go maybe 100 feet down the road, then take a right-hand turn into this new Western set. The tram will stop, and then a stunt show will unfold around the tram. Then the tram will exit the road and take a right into the Fast and Furious Supercharged attraction, which is the current finale of the Universal Studios tour. Some indicators that this will be themed to Nope is that Nope comes out this summer, and it's speculated that this new attraction will be opening this summer on the tour. It's also interesting to note that if you watch the Nope trailer, it is indeed a horror movie, but it features horses and Western elements. They also feature a character named Parker, and a member of the Inside Universal Forums named Salis Metho noticed that there is a facade in this new attraction called Parker's Leather Co., and that aligns with the Parker character that is featured in the new Nope movie. The last time a Western-themed stunt show of any sort was located at the park was the Wild 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 West stunt show, which operated on the upper lot from 1980 until 2002. So if this new attraction is indeed a Western-themed stunt show based around the new movie Nope, I'm really excited to see it, and it's going to be the first time the park's had anything like this in quite a number of years. It's also very important to notice that if this new attraction is indeed themed to the horror film Nope, that it would lend itself nicely to the Terror Tram, which is usually featured annually at Universal Studios Hollywood's Halloween Horror Nights. What do you think this new attraction is going to be? Do you think it'll be a Nope Wild West stunt show, or do you think it'll be something else? Let me know in the comments below. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Once again, my name is Jake, and thank you for watching the Theme Park Shark. Make sure to follow our social channels on Twitter and Instagram, and we will catch you here next time.